Hi there, quick overview of how to edit your website. So first of all, you would select the Web DFA Builder from the top menu bar once you're logged in. You would then wait for it to load up, and you'll know it's loaded up when you hover over any element and you can see it's encircled by a little blue line. So you can see here when I'm hovering over various modules that these are called. This is a text module and this is an image module and a heading module, etc. You know, you can see that they are how they're defined by the blue border. So to give you an idea of how to edit, let's start from the very beginning. So this is called a header photo, and you can see that it's the whole row is encircled by the blue line. So it's the row itself that you'll be editing. So when you hover over, you'll see you can see above that it says little row settings. Click on the spanner, and when it pops up, you'll see the row settings written here in the pop-up box. You need to scroll down, and you can see that the background has been selected to show as a slideshow. And at the moment, you've only got one photo, which we recommend for large photos like this to not have too many. You can have it more than one, but one is often nicer, not to have too much movement on the site. So if you wanted to change that photo at any time, you would just click on that X and that would delete that off. Click Add to Gallery and find a replacement photo. If you've already uploaded the photo, it will show here in your media library all your photos that are currently uploaded to your website are here. When you select a photo, you can see on the right hand side various details about that photo. So when it's a header photo, you need to make sure it's a good size. So this image is 1840 by 800, which is a good size for a header image. Looking at some other photos, this one's only 800 by 600, as you can see here. So you wouldn't want that. That would look pixelated if shown as a large image on the front. So I'm just going to deselect those. So if you had selected one of those images, you'd click Add to Gallery and that would add that to the slideshow. If you haven't yet uploaded a photo to your website, you would select Upload Files and go and grab the photo you want from your computer. So that's how you would update that slideshow, which is the header photo row, and you'd click Save, and that would instantly, retain those changes you've made. So going down the page, a text module is very easy to edit. You just click into the text and make your changes. When you've finished, you would click Save. So a little word here, these formatting tools are very easy to use. So for example, you could highlight the text you want to make the changes to and apply formatting like bold, italics, etc. We recommend that you don't change font types or font colours preferably in this module. If you do want to change the text centrally, text all over the website, we will do that centrally so that it will be done in one location, and that means that going forward it'll be much easier at any point to change the font type to any type you like, at the click of a button basically. But should you want to amend the font style for some reason, just to see perhaps how it looks, if you click on the Style tab here, you'll see that there's a font tab, and you can select all the fonts that there are available for you via Google Fonts. And if you just type on Google Fonts, you'll see fill in the different sizes, line heights, alignment and weights, thin to bold, etc. And that would show on that area there. So this one is a photo gallery, even though it's only showing as one photo. So when you click on the Edit Gallery link, you'll see again you can add to gallery and select the photos you wish to add. And the sizing here is not so important because it's a smaller pop-up box, so they can be 800 by 600, not a problem. Going down the screen, again, this one is a background photo, so you would be editing the row to replace that image. So you'd select row settings, scroll down till you see the background type, and you can see it's been selected as a photo. not a slideshow in this instance because we want it to have a fixed background so that it has that nice parallax effect. So you would select Edit, find the different photo you wish to use, and then click Select Photo, and then Save. Likewise, this area here is an image carousel where it's been selected to have only show 2 photos here, otherwise you'll get the arrows which won't look very nice. But again, you just select the edit, let me show you that again, so Edit Gallery, and you deselect those by clicking on the X, Add to Gallery, choose your photos and select the Add to Gallery button down here. And here is again another image carousel, and it's been selected just to show one slide per at a time. Again, you'd click Edit Gallery, and you can see that currently this carousel has these 4 images. If you want to delete one, you just select the X, etc. And once you've finished making all your changes, you just click Done and Publish, and that will instantly be live. So let's go on to the next page so we can show you, it's pretty much the same, but in case you have any other slight differences to the home page. So again, load up the builder, and you'll know it's loaded up when you hover over the various boxes. Again, this is the background of the row that you need to edit, so let's go and have a look at that. And you scroll down, you can see it's set as a slideshow, Edit Gallery, and select the photos accordingly. Going down, these ones are a list module. So again, if you wanted to edit in the text, you just select the bit you want to edit, click in, make your changes, click Save, and then finally click Save on that box. This is just the same as before. It's a background image, but it's an image, not a slideshow. So let's just show you that again. Click into the row, go down to the background, you can see it's selected photo, click Edit, and change it to whatever one you like. These are all the same, so if you think that you've got a bit too much white space here, don't be tempted to change that font size to make it fill up the space. Ideally, add more text so that it's fuller, or you can drag the you can actually drag the column sizes so that they are bigger. So you can play around with that if you want to. I'm just going to see what size width this is. So that's 50-50. So you literally can see that when you drag it, you can see what the different column sizes are. So just make it back to 50% if you want it to be the same as above. So as mentioned, don't make the font sizes bigger just to fill up the space. It'd be better just to either add more text or change the column sizes if you prefer. And when you've made your changes, click Done and Publish, and those changes will instantly be live. If at any time you feel, oh, I've made a mistake and you're not quite sure what to do, you can click, let's just go back into that again. Instead of, sorry, one moment, make some changes, otherwise it won't think that you've done anything. Click on the Done. Instead of clicking Publish, you would click Discard, and then it won't save anything that you've done in that in those amendments you've made. So all the pages should be the same. Let's see, guest comments is another one that you might wish to make some changes to at some point. So clicking in to the web DFA builder, the testimonials is just a text box. So you'll just scroll to the bottom, click in, click enter to get down to the new line, and type away your new testimonial, and click Save, Done, and Publish, and that's it. So if you have any questions at all, just let me know and we'll create you a little video to show you how to do it. All the best, bye bye.